Here we are today at 45 Leleaka Place in Haiku. Beautiful ocean view over here that gets better, but here is the driveway in. It's a CPR, the B lot, so the main house is back there behind the bamboo and the vegetation. There's catchment, and then it's on regular electric and telecom fiber, I believe. This is the cottage, just under 1,000 square feet. There is a permitted little studio, art studio. That was the first structure. And they built this, and then there is an unpermitted little space structure there. You're just on over just an acre, and there is an enormous gully right here that goes down to the ocean, you'll see. But let's check these out let's go up here first. Beautiful ocean views. I like that these side walls can be spun down. You can see the cabling there if it's too rainy, too windy. So this is the unpermitted but well built single room. Luxury vinyl floor. Yeah, as I said, well built. Beautiful breezes out here. Got some of your afternoon showers. I see laundry out here and that covering right there. Let's just, I want to go around to the front door so you can see it. There's some under structure storage. So up here into the main cottage, very artistic, well done in here. There's tile in here, gray flat face cabinets, and a granite countertop. Nice tall ceilings in here. Luxury vinyl then, and then onto a big lanai Trex decking. So you can see that's all gully there out to the ocean. You can see the catchment again from this height. Morning. So the whole floor is all this stone. It drains down so that you can have this room shower rather than a stall shower. And it's got the jacuzzi, some interesting tile work, but very well done. I like it. And then some storage back here. And then bedroom 1, primary, with open closet there. ocean view from in here. And then office or bedroom 2 or both. And then out to this side to the studio. Workshop under here, tool storage and space.
This is the cottage.
And then currently an art studio. Single wall construction, but nice. And there we go. Aloha. Let me know if you have any questions.